morning with Valentine's Day right around the corner. Wouldn't it be great to greet your Valentine with a great smile and nice white teeth? Well, you can with a visit to Dr. Todd E.Shatkin at the Aesthetic Associates. We're going to welcome back Dr. Todd, and he has brought with him his assistants, Leah Mignano, and we have Maggie Curtis, and they're going to demonstrate just how easy getting a white smile can be. So good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
And I know you've got some great information, because with that combination of veneers and or whitening, I'll tell you, miracles can happen.
Absolutely. And you know, we talk a lot about dental implants, but Aesthetic Associates Center, we do a tremendous amount of cosmetic dentistry. And whether people are unhappy with the color of their teeth or the shape of the teeth, or if they have spaces between their teeth or crooked teeth, whatever it is that bothers them about their smile, we can usually improve it.
Okay, do you have some pictures that you would like to illustrate?
Yeah, we've got a few cases here. I don't know if they're bringing them up, but the first case is, so this gentleman, he was unhappy because his teeth didn't show very much when he smiled.
Oh.
They were a little short. Generally, they're in pretty good alignment.
Yeah, I was going to say, well, gee, what's the problem?
But he wanted
some cases that we see,
he wanted to show more teeth, and he wanted them to be whiter.
Okay.
So you'll see the next slide where we did a whitening and, oh no, this is a before still, I'm sorry.
Okay, that's a before.
This is still before.
Okay.
And now if you go to the next slide, we'll see the veneers and the whitening.
Okay.
So we lengthened his teeth, and now the final slide will show him smiling with his longer teeth.
Oh, yes.
So now he shows more teeth, and we also whitened the rest of his teeth. So we did 8 veneers on the top. You can see he still has his other teeth behind, and they're a little bit yellower, but he's still whitening at home, so they'll continue to whiten and get whiter as we move forward.
So they'll all match.
Yeah. And so we used the iSmile whitening for him for the lower teeth and the rest of his teeth, and then we did the veneers on the front and really made those about 3 millimeters longer, so when he smiles, he shows a smile.
Okay, so the whitening, is that done at home or in the office? So
we do an in-office treatment, and then we send the patients home with this whitening kit that you see right here on the table. I don't know if they can show that. Yeah. Yep. So this is the iSmile whitening, and Maggie is going to demonstrate that in a few minutes.
All right.
How easy it is to whiten your teeth at home with the whitening kit. It's really a professional whitening system that can be used at home that I designed and developed, and we now sell online and at our offices.
And here's the thing, everybody, no sensitivity.
Zero.
Ooh.
There's zero sensitivity. We really worked hard on the formulation and the product so that they don't have those zingers after they whiten their teeth, and it's really a big improvement.
And again, you're saying just 15, 16 minutes a day.
Yeah, 16 minutes. You can do it, you don't have to do it every day. If you do the in-office treatment, then you take this home and you use it a couple times a week to maintain your teeth.
Because, you know, I mean, you work really hard to maintain your teeth, and sometimes you just don't have the blessing of having them as white as you would like.
Right.
And this way you can. I mean, you can just get to that, you know, that final look where you can smile and be so happy with the color of them.
I think the next patient we'll see on here will show a before and after. So here's the before, and again, the teeth were not really dark, but they were like an A3. And if we go to the next slide, you'll see how white they got. That's a bleach 2. So they really whitened up a lot. And this is one of our actual staff members that we whitened. So they really do, it really does make a big difference in just one in-office treatment. And
will they whiten as far back as you put the stuff in?
Yeah, generally we whiten the top 10 and bottom 10 teeth.
Okay, wow, that is cool. Yeah. And as you say, you have folks in the office who can help people with that.
Absolutely, we do. The hygienists do it, and the staff members, all of our staff can whiten teeth. The next case is another veneer patient, and this is a dramatic improvement. So you see the first two were, you know, the first ones were not as dramatic, but this patient had a gummy smile. They showed a lot of gum tissue.
Right, this is just the opposite.
And the one tooth was too long and the other one was shorter. So we did a combination of gum surgery where we shortened the gum line and we evened out the length of the teeth by putting veneers on. So you'll see the next picture will show afterwards.
Oh, yeah.
And you can see the gum's a little red on the upper left because that was just a week or two after the procedure, so it's still healing after the gum surgery. But that's a real nice dramatic result with 8 upper veneers on her teeth.
You know, it's amazing the difference when someone has their mouth and the smile corrected. Somebody can look like 10 or 20 years younger. Yeah. It's amazing.
Yeah, it really does make a difference.
Wow.
And I mean, you have a beautiful smile, and my 2 assistants here have beautiful smiles, but not everybody is as lucky as that.
Well, you know, and you also realize it's something that takes maintenance, because we are going to drink coffee, we're going to drink tea, you're going to drink, you know, cola or whatever, and they don't stay white living an average life. I mean, they will pick up some of the staining, so it's just so great that it's so much easier than ever to revert back to that really lovely, white color.
Absolutely. So could we do a quick demo and show us how to use it?
Let's do it.
So what's nice about this system is it's called iSmile because it can actually be plugged into your iPhone. Oh. It can be plugged into a Android, or it can be plugged into the included USB that has an actual timer on it.
Okay.
So this is, where are we here?
Actually, just put it down by the case so you'll see it. There we go.
So this is the USB. Looks like a tooth, and it times it for 16 minutes.
All right.
And so go ahead and, Leah, why don't you demonstrate
And this is exactly what you would be demonstrating to a patient.
Well, this would actually be the at-home, but I'm just going to show on TV.
When we do it in the office, we'd have a higher strength gel, but at home
and we'll have to like cover the gums and all of that. And this is a lower percentage. So basically, we would just twist this up.
It's a whitening pen, and you just brush it on.
And then.
And again, in the office you cover up the gums, so that's your sensitivity problem. Yeah. So that we take care of that.
In the office we use a double strength. So this is 22% for at home. In the office we use a 40.
How's it taste? Not bad? No. Yeah. Okay. There we go. And what is the significance of the blue light?
So the light is what helps the gel penetrate, and activates the gel and it helps penetrate the enamel.
Ah.
So if you have a professional treatment done in an office, you'll see they often use the lights on the teeth to whiten the teeth. Well, we've designed this to be at home use, and actually the University of Buffalo Photonics Laboratory helped us with the strength of the LEDs to come up with the right amount of penetration.
So 16 minutes at home.
16-minute treatments.
Amazing. And how often might you want to touch up?
You might want to touch up once every month or two. You don't have to do it, but the initial treatment, you do the in-office treatment, and then 10 home treatments.
Wow.
And you can do it for 10 days straight, and then after that, just touch it up every 2 or 3 weeks or once a month, depending on your habits. If you drink a lot of coffee or you smoke or tea, you might want to do it more often.
Look great, kid.
There's enough gel in there. There's enough gel in that kit to do 40 home treatments.
Wow, and you can purchase the whole thing, right?
Right. So we sell the kit for $250, and that's just the take home. The in-office program is $495, but we're doing $100 off for Valentine's Day.
Ooh.
So anybody who calls today and signs up for a treatment today or tomorrow, they'll save $100 for Valentine's. So it'll be $395 for the in-office, including the home kit.
This is a nice gift for the Valentine in your life who's always been concerned about their teeth not being very white. You could actually surprise them with this gift certificate.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and they'll be so happy.
Or they could use the $100 off just to buy the kit. So instead of $250, it'd be $150.
Wow. Well, let me see. So far, looking good. You got beautiful teeth to begin with.
You took it off already.
But I mean, and that's fairly comfortable to leave in your mouth, right? For 15,
show them how you can plug
minutes.
it into the iPhone if they want. So you don't have to.
So I mean, you could be driving and stick it into your iPhone.
Yeah, you don't have to carry your
and
thing around with you all the time. You can do it that way. So.
Look at that. See? You can just carry it with you. So everybody's got 15, 16 minutes, and you can just go and work on your smile. I love that. I love that. That is awesome. And that's called the iSmile.
You got it.
You've got so much going on over there, I'll tell you. Ladies, thank you so much. Oh, time's up. There we go. Let's give you some information. Dr. Shatkin and his wonderful crew in the iSmile over at the Aesthetic Associates Center. This is the time you can call. You know what? They've got a lot of different gift certificates, and this is a wonderful month to get this done before spring. By all means, give Dr. Shatkin a call, and you know what, and improve your smile, because I'll tell you, when you feel like when you look like $1 million, you feel like $1 million. 839-1700, 839-1700, or log on to GR8look, greatlook.com, because that's what you'll have.